What is cluster in Node.js? You know what is Node.js? Like Node.js is a single thread design language, event driven. That is the main thing. But what is cluster? This is a very important question in interview. Most of the people doesn't know how to explain the cluster. Cluster is a module in Node.js allows you to create child process that shares the same server, enabling you to take full advantage of multi-core systems. So basically, in new systems, there are more cores and more things are coming. So to handle such kind of things, Node.js uses this cluster implementation. Okay, why to use like improvements the performance by parallelly workload across the CPU cores, allow handling multiple concurrent requests more efficiently like Node.js used to handle it, but it can do more better. Increase fault tolerance if one worker crashes, other keeps running. Okay, how cluster works? The cluster module spawns multi-worker use process using this command like child process.form internally. Each worker has its own memory and event loop. That's important. All workers can share the same port. This is the master process that manages and monitors the workers. Same port is shared has its own memory and event loop. It is used by child process.4 and this is the master process that manages and monitors. This is the key feature. This is how clustering works. Use case is like when you have a request of 1000 client requests per second. At this time, we will use cluster. Okay, you will not be asked to write a code, but this is how the code works. I will drop this code in the description section. Why I explained this much in detail is like interviewer asks this question and he is expecting you to know all these things. So I would like to revise this video again, watch this video again, and just listen it and just make the answer when this question is asked, like make it yourself and try to crack this interview of Node.js. Very simple. It is very simple topic. I hope you understood this video. For more such video, please follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.